Do you want to know how to record your screen, how to make a video for YouTube without necessarily showing your face, but just recording your screen and recording the audio? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a video every time I upload one. I upload videos every week and I always make helpful content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this video I am making following the question of one of my followers. He reached out to me and he said, Sophie, can you teach me, can you show me how to make a video with audio only, not showing my face? I just want to record my screen and my voice, but I don't want to show my face. Now, this is a common question. Quite a few people ask that. It can be quite uncomfortable to appear on video, especially if you're starting out. So I am going to show you one way it's done. There are many ways, okay, that you can do this. You can use little animated videos. There are so many ways that you can make videos not showing your face. That would take, I'm going to make more videos about this, right? But in this video, I specifically want to show you how you can record your screen only and your voice only, okay? So this is really about this. And I want to say, before I share my screen and show you how it's done, that it's a tricky video for me to make because to record my screen, I use a screen recording software. So because while I'm making the video, I'm using the software that I'm telling you about, it's tricky. I can't go into my back office and show it to you because I'm using it to record, if that makes sense. I hope it does. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go into my computer and basically I'm going to show you I'm going to show you two programs, two pieces of software that you can download, that you can use. I'm just basically going to show you what they are and give you a bit of an idea of how they work as much as I can. And then, you can then go download them and try them out and see how they work for you. Okay, let's go. So one piece of software that you can use is OBS, right? This is completely free and there is no paid version of it. So you can simply go to obsproject.com. If you type obs.com in Google, you will find it very easily. And then basically what you do is you download it. If you have a PC, you download it here, and if you have a Mac, you go here. If you just download it. Now I have to say that I downloaded it on my Mac, my other computer, and I do find, for me, I'm not terribly technical. And for me, it's a little complicated. Once again, as I was saying before in my introduction, it's quite tricky because I can't share because I'm recording my screen. I can't share, I can't log in to another screen recorder, if you see what I mean. At least I don't know how I can do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing you the home page of where you would go to download this. But basically, it just really, it allows you to record your screen, but for me it looks a little bit like this, and for me I found it quite tricky. I downloaded it, but then you have to add a video source and stuff like that, and I just find it a little bit tricky. However, I have a very good friend who uses it, and I know that, you know, the quality is really pretty good. So I would say that it's worth looking into if you know, if you're not, yeah, there's probably a bit of learning to do with it, but just by all means, the advantage is it's completely free. It's not going, there is not going to be a paid version of it at any time, because that's what they are all about. You know, they are about sharing this for free. So I encourage you to go ahead, learn how to do it, and then you can make videos about about it. But that's the first option that I would encourage you to explore. So now here is the one that I use, right? I use Screencast-O-Matic. Again, as I was explaining, I can't log into my own Screencast-O-Matic and record it because I'm already I'm using it to record, right? So it kind of makes this kind of tutorials quite tricky, but that's it. So I've gone into another browser. I'm showing you this is what it looks like. You can simply go to screencastomatic.com. They do have a free version, but I believe that the free version is quite basic. So I went ahead. I've never had just the free version. I've straight away paid, but it was not expensive. I can't remember honestly what I paid for it, but it was under $100 for the whole year, right? It was probably, I can't remember. I have the feeling it was even under $50 for the whole year. It was really very reasonable. And Screencast-O-Matic basically you know, allows you to, I'm trying to see if I can show you what it looks like, but I can't. Yes, it looks a little bit like that. So basically you you tap a little a little icon and you know, saying I want to record my screen, and then you basically push this little button here, record, and it starts recording. And here you can select screen only, right, or webcam only, which would mean that you are on the screen in full, which is not what you want to do. Or what I've selected right now is both. So I now, as you can see, I'm in this little window down here, and you know, you can see the screen. But sorry. But basically what you would do here is you would simply record the screen, right? And OBS obviously lets you do that too. All these screen recording softwares let you do that. Either they let, you know, you can select either to record only the screen and it will record your voice, or you can select the webcam only, or you can select both, where there's the screen in big and you are in little in the corner. Okay. And you know, as you can see here, this is exactly what it looks like when I'm recording. When so it basically uses the audio, the integrated microphone that you have in your computer, and it records your voice. I have a clip-on microphone that I've added, but that's optional. Before I had a microphone, I would just, it just uses the integrated microphone that's in your computer. And that basically is it. I mean, I'm not an affiliate for this or anything. If you want to you know, to go for it, all you need to do is go there and sign up. I don't think they have an affiliate program anyway, but I'm just sharing it because this is what I use and this is what I find useful. Once you've finished recording, what it looks like again is like this. So once you've finished, you sort of tap this little record button again, and it then gives you the option to save the video. And then you have a studio inside which looks like this, and you can edit the videos. So again, you can cut little bits, you can add some music to it. So the audio that you've recorded, your own voice will be recorded in there. That's done. Then you can add some music, you can add some images, you can blur, you can add transitions, you can do all sorts of things. It's really, yeah, it's pretty good. You know, you can cut some bits you don't like, add some extra other videos that you've shot. So it's really handy. And that's how it works. That's it. That is basically how you record your screen without showing your face. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So sharing your screen is easy. Making videos without showing your face is completely possible. So if it's the fear of showing your face, of appearing on camera that is stopping you from making YouTube videos, then please don't let it. Just make videos where you record your screen, you record your voice, and that's it. You don't have to appear on camera. Having said that, once you're used to speaking on camera without showing your face, I very strongly encourage you to try to go through that fear and appear on camera. It is scary in the beginning, but keep in mind that you can edit it. You are not live. So that's one thing that really helps. If you mess up, you just start again, right? Or you cut off the bits that you don't like. And the other thing is, it is, appearing on camera is going to give this personal element to your video. It's going to create more trust with people who are watching. It's going to get them to know you. You can't lie on camera, right? It's very difficult, at least. Your personality comes out. I look at my own videos and I think, oh my goodness, I'm moving my hands all over the place, and and I laugh and I say the same things over and over again, but that is me. That's what makes me. And some people hate it, but some people love it, and therefore I think it helps attract more people than if you don't appear on camera at all. So I encourage you to hit that fear on the head when you are ready for it. But first, by all means, start with just recording your screen and your voice. That's a great way to start and to get used to it. Once again, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions about YouTube, about making videos, or generally about making money online, or anything at all to do with what you are doing online, please drop them in the comments. I will find out for you, and if I can, I will make a video that helps and gives you the answer. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.